Hi guys, welcome back to another Humphrey and Jakub video, and today I'm going to be showing some what I think is cool. Okay, number one thing that I think is cool is this. So first I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to explain it. 3, 2, 1. I think you maybe saw some people do that before, when they do that and then they get in a different place, which it's actually pretty simple. Okay, so if you're recording on pretty much anything, there's an option to click pause. And if you click, if you do this and then click pause at the right moment, then it could pause it, and then you can pause it for how long you want, and then unpause and do that, and then you're at a different place, and it seems like it's like magic or something, which is pretty cool. Okay. Another feature is another cool thing is the pausing thing can be used for many stuff, like just not just like that, but multiple stuff. It can make your videos look cooler and stuff. So mainly I just wanted to talk about that one feature. There isn't other ones that really I don't have any other ones really today, but I'll do other videos featuring me doing how to do that and that. So now you know how to do it, like how YouTubers, for example, they do that and then they transform into a different place, which is actually pretty simple. And it really makes your videos cool and everything. So I'm gonna quickly grab something real quick and use a feature to make it look a little bit cooler. It can make all your videos look cooler. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yep. So that's pretty much of how it works. So you don't have to rush or anything. It just pauses, and then you click unpause, and then you're back. So don't think that you have to run for a split second until it can unpause it. You pause it, take all the time you want. You can even wait a whole entire day and then unpause it. Which for me, I think that's a pretty cool feature. I mean, I like using it. It's very entertaining. You should try it too. It's really nice and easy and fun to do. I like it. It's a fun feature to add to your videos or even just other stuff. And yeah, that's it for the day. So see you guys in the next video. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.